Hi mathematicians, today is the day we are going to graph our M&Ms or our Skittles. So I have a bag of M&Ms. You might have gotten a bag of Skittles. Either one that you have is fine, because if you look in the top of the graph, hopefully we've given you the graph that matches what you have. So it says yum yum M&M graphing, and if you have Skittles, it should say Skittles on top. So it looks like we're going to need to sort your M&Ms and tally each color. Graph your tally mark. So over here where it says color, if you're not sure how to spell your colors, they're right along the bottom here. So we can very carefully write in red, blue. Now if you wanted to do this in color, like different color pencils or crayons, you totally could. Brown, green, did I get them all? Green, orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So now this looks like a big bag of M&Ms. Actually, move this out of the way. All right, let's take a look. I'm going to sort these out. So I'm going to make a pile of blue, pile of green, Interesting. So let's look. My first one says color red. It actually looks like I don't have any red. So I'm gonna just put a big fat 0 here. Now I'm gonna count the blues. I'm gonna put them in 10 frame because that will help me, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So blue, I have 12. And I can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you can do it that way, or, oops, every time you, oops, I'll just move some of these down so you can see me. Every time you kind of move one, you can make a tally. Either way works. So now that I have these on this side, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, oops, 4, 5, 6. My goodness, 5, 10, 15, 16. What? I got a feeling I'm gonna have to add more lines to my chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I might need to add some lines going through here. Let's take a look. Brown, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I can put those to the side. Let me get my green pile. You can count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we have orange. And again, you can tally it either way it feels better for you. So we can do it one by one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So it looks like 5, 10, 11. So now I'm realizing that I have more M&Ms than I do boxes going up, but I can fix this. I can fix this. So we might need to fix this together. So if you have a ruler, that would actually be awesome. But if you don't, you might not. You can find any straight edge. I have, look, a Pokemon game right here with me. I'm going to make extra lines. I'm going to try to go halfway. And I'm going to make extra lines. So it's not perfect, but I'm going to make extra lines. And if you don't have a straight edge, you can just try your best going through, just like this. Hopefully now we have enough room to grab everything. There were a lot of M&Ms in the bag. So we could even, which might be helpful, is to make our scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So red. I don't have any red, so I'm not going to shade anything. It just stays blank. Blue. Holy moly. 5, 10, 11, 12. So I need to shade all the way up to 12. So I know that this is going to be the 12. So let's check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Wow. Let's look at yellow. 5, 10, 15, 16. Woo! Looks like it's going to go all the way to the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Brown, I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Green, it looks like I have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And orange. Oh, my favorite color. I can't wait to eat the orange ones. We have 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there's your tally graph and here's your bar graph. Now, when you have a chance, your answers are probably gonna be all very different than mine. Maybe you end up I have no reds. Maybe you'll end up getting a ton of reds. So this actually says, which color did you have the most of? Well, it's very clear that I had the most yellow, so I'm gonna write yellow. Which color did you have the least of? Well, I had 0 red, so red is what I had the least of. I didn't have any. Did you have more red or brown M&Ms? So here's red and here's brown. Definitely I had more brown. So I had more brown. Now red had 0. So I had 3 more brown than red. Did you have fewer yellow or green M&Ms? So let's see. Yellow and green. Which one had a fewer amount? Looks like yellow had the most, so green. Did you have fewer yellow or green M&Ms? The answer is green. I had fewer green. Whoops. How many fewer? This is that tricky first grade question we've been working on. So these all kind of match up, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have the same amount till we get to 9. But then yellow has this many more. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So green would have had to get 7 more to get up to yellow. So did you have fewer yellow or green M&Ms? We had fewer green. How many fewer? 7. Because green had 9, but it needed 7 more to get up to yellow. How many blue and orange M&Ms did you have all together? Write a number sentence. So I need to add blue plus orange. So we know that blue had, let's check it out, 12. Plus orange was 11. Well, I know there's a couple ways you could do this. You could stack, and some of you know how to do this. You can say 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus 1 is 2, equaling 23. But if you don't feel like you're there yet, you can say it in your head 12, and you can count on 11, so 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Boom, I get it if I count on. Or you could break this up into 10s and 1s. This is a 10, this is a 2. This is a 10, and this is a 1. So I know 10 plus 10 is 20, 21, 22, 23. Look, there's 3 different ways to solve this. Whatever way you do is fine. How many M&Ms did you have in all? Whoa, that's a lot of counting. So it's up to you how you do this. You might want to take all of your M&Ms in a pile and make a bunch of 10 frames. That actually might be the easiest and most visual way for you to do this, right? And then it's going to be a quick count from there. If you feel like you can add, you could even count all of your little blocks in your bar graph. So that's entirely up to you. But I'm gonna make some 10 frames for us. I'm gonna take all my M&Ms and make some 10 frames. And maybe I should have left my 10 frames the way they were. I just didn't have room in the camera view. So here are my 10 frames. Here we go. So I know, oops, well, that doesn't matter. I know that's a group of 10. And I have another group of 10. So 10, 20. Ooh, love counting by 10s. All right. this one that's not in a group of 10. So here we go. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51. Boom. So the answer to my final question is 51. All right, boys and girls. And now I think this is a lot of M&Ms, so I'm going to share them with my family. So I hope you enjoyed organizing and collecting data. And let me know how it went. Maybe if you can, have mom or dad take a picture and send it to me. All right, mathematicians, have fun. Bye.